Hi, I'm JJ Conway, founder of Conway Financial Group, where we help women dump debt and build wealth so they can live lives of joy and impact. I host a series of conferences every year, including Women Building Wealth Together, Juneteenth Legacy, Solid Rock Summit, and Healing My Sisters. One of my favorite events is the Reconnect With Yourself Retreat, which is designed to help us get in touch with or reconnect with the creative side of ourselves. And in order to do that, it's important to leave shame, guilt, and condemnation behind. Enter Linda Larson Schlitz. Her Healing Shame Through Fire workshop was so powerful and the perfect finale to our conference. We've all had traumatic events, and Linda helped my attendees overcome that pain and move past it so they could be free to reconnect with themselves on a deeper level and get a clearer understanding of who and whose they are. If you would like to connect with Linda, check out her Overcoming Trauma YouTube channel. It's so encouraging. And if you are a conference planner, I want you to know Linda was easy to work with, accommodating, and very clear with her rates and deliverables. You need her at your next conference. And if you'd like a little more about me, if you'd like to know a little bit more about me, simply find me on social media at JJ Knows the Way. Y'all take care. Be blessed.